Going to see if I can hang a flag. Drape it over this window. For those of us who don't like ladders. So this is an old flag. I'm probably going to have to play a minute. So this is some of the stuff I had up here to begin with. Hence why I didn't want to cover it all up. I just wanted to have it as a swag. Stack old green. Like, how do you keep your favorite yummies in with seasonal? How many flags is too many? I'm not the right person to ask. I do know this is the perfect opportunity to use some marshmallow tins. So you get into your Christmas decor and you get those out. So many reasons you can use them. So perfect. Let's see what else I can add in here. I do have another slop pot that has old washboards in it, and which was the regular decor that I had. This is one that I made. I didn't fit in my little center island. Maybe a bit too tall. Gotta try though, right? You know it as soon as you do it. You're like, no, don't love it, don't love it. So far, I think it's a water slide transfer. I don't know, but I'm gonna try to add it in here. Turn it around. Put some of my other little collectibles on there. If they don't work, that's okay. I want to make more of these. Oh, I do. But then you get to find more. That's the thing. It's easy to say I want to make more, but then you got to find the salvage pieces to make them. This is another one that I had for the Easter season, so I'm just going to turn it around. Bought some, yes, they are full. Old sparklers. Got a couple that think that it needs to come out. Like, no, stay in there. You don't need to come out. But it kind of goes with the old wood. It's funny how we want things to be like staggered and just a few, and and of course it was probably redder back in the day, but now they use the coloring that doesn't bleed out. Let me see if this would fit on to get another wood on there. Then I bought this on a whatnot. It's 100 years old. May not necessarily go right there. I'll make it work somewhere. Somewhere I'll make it work. Bought this on a whatnot. A couple other little risers. One doesn't quite fit. See why I need to learn how to do this, because I'm buying a lot. I keep buying a lot of them. That looks good. Yeah, got a sweet little girl. This was crafted on a lady from Whatnot. She's kind of a sparkler. A little bit faded, but that's okay. I mean, the sparklers are a little bit faded. I need to figure out how to make this work. Another whatnot. Trying to figure out how to get the prims in with the old. Love that. Now I'm on the hunt to collect these. I mean, that's not easy to find. I mean, I know it's more burgundy, but red, white, and blue spools, and then the cutest little ribbon. Oh my gosh. Like, which way do you have it? Right? I don't know. I love the stars. I don't know if the cloche will fit over it or not. Or because, nope. It will if I take the wood out. I don't have to have the cloche, but let's see what it looks like. I think I like those being, well, I don't know, I kind of like that too. So everything's better under cloche. Oh, okay. Sorry, little guy, you lost out. I do like it. Though it gives a little, it's hard for you to see, there's a glare. I bought the base separately and I just happened to have a cloche that fit. So I'm trying to decide, I think I have another stack of these, or do I do a picture? Okay, let's see how these look back there. And then maybe a picture on top of here. These are marshmallows. Let's see, do I have... You can never have too many pictures. I wouldn't, there again, I would not be the one to ask. There's too many pictures. Oh, I don't know. Unfortunately, they're so new. I don't want them to be so new. Maybe. I kept buying so many. Some are bedazzled, but I gotta take the tags off. Not sure if I like the bedazzling, but they're a little bit different because they're a little bit worn. I probably need to put something in the, but I think they go better than, yeah, the newer ones. I didn't realize they left the tags on. That's okay. I'll play a little bit. There, I put 5 of them in there. Stuck some floral foam so that they would kind of hang. Now, I was told this was a flag holder. That's what I'm going to be using it for. 2 options. I have this very old one. See, it does have the hole in it to hold it's very old and tattered. Then I also have this one. I think I'm going with the old and tattered. And hopefully not poke myself in the eye. That's cool. I do have a little base. I'm going to see if this will fit in the base. They told me this was a flag holder, also base. Of course, I bought it for a tinsel tree, but I'm going to see because the one that I just showed you, I think it's meant to go into the ground, but I'm not putting it outside. So I'm going to see if it'll fit in this one. I had to put a little bit of tape around at the bottom, but so I had this ribbon. I stuffed it. It came on a feather tree that I bought. Though I probably needed iron, but I'm like, you know what? I love the hat. So I thought I'm just going to figure a place. Yeah, I think there. At first I was like that, you know as soon as you try it. Yeah. Too much? Probably.